So guys, first come to this websites gigabyte.com, and this is official website. Then you can see here search key, so click and type model number Z89 AORUS Elite X ICE and then hit enter. Click to product. Then click to here. This is Wi-Fi 7 and this is then click to support. Chipset. So try to first one and click to download. Then just double click which is downloaded chipset driver. Okay, then click to yes. Now this is installing. So you can see this is chipset driver installing and required for the Microsoft 360. Okay, this is close, means this is installed.